Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm at Radisson Blue, Karjat. We are with executive chef Rajiv.
Hi.
So we'll cook a pizza today. So let's go in the kitchen. So I'm meeting Chef Rajiv for the first time. Sir, how many years you are working with Radisson?
I am here from last 3 years.
Yeah.
Before this property, I was in JP Missouri.
Yeah.
So this is my kitchen, live
Yeah.
kitchen. So we can go inside the kitchen. Let's come.
So sir, which type of pizza we are gonna make today?
Today we are making flat pizza. That is
Flat
called
pizza.
farm fresh pizza. Right.
Farm
It is made up with fresh vegetables, organic vegetables. Some basil leaves and that tomato will be there, and some mushroom is there. So
Yeah.
let's go.
Yeah.
Right. You can see.
He's making the dough, the base of the pizza.
Yes. This is the base for the pizza.
He's making from the hand by tapping it.
We are flattening it.
To make it even, right?
Yes. Normally you have seen that many restaurant chefs are cooking with a round shape. They are making it flat.
Yeah. So that's a very huge rolling pin actually. And he is making the oval shape.
Yeah,
Right.
oval shape. That. Base is ready for
Yeah.
pizza. You can see it. Very nice.
Very even and shiny.
This is the pizza sauce
The
with
main
fresh
ingredient.
tomatoes,
Fresh tomatoes.
plus cheese liquor.
And so what all cheese we are gonna put?
It's mozzarella only, fresh mozzarella.
Fresh mozzarella. To make it stretchy and cheesy.
Yeah.
Now very carefully he will spread the pizza sauce.
We'll put some cheese on that.
Oh.
Some more cheese.
Yeah, we are putting so much cheese on it.
Now to add vegetables. These are the fresh vegetables. You see?
Capsicum, onion, and some other vegetables. He's breaking all the vegetables and putting it neatly on the pizza. And he have to put it very carefully as the pizza is raw. The dough can be uneven. These are freshly cut mushrooms.
Yes.
They actually become very juicy when baked.
Yes. Now some more cheese on top of that.
Yeah, so much cheese.
Now we have to cover all the area of the base so that cheese will be there.
Just adding some fresh basil in this, just crushing it and putting it on. Actually, basil gives a very different flavor to the pizza.
Just smell it.
Very different. The basil is same as the Indian tulsi, falls in the same family.
So right now it's a difficult task for me because to pick up the pizza on this, fresh pizza is very difficult to pick. Right on the
As
pan.
it's very delicate and very
You see,
difficult.
you see.
My.
So we are getting it to his home.
And the putting the pizza is also a great task.
You see, inside the oven. Wow.
Now, how much time it will take to bake?
It will take only 3 to 4 minutes to bake.
Very quickly it will.
Yeah.
I'm already hungry. It's smelling great in your kitchen.
So you have to wait for 4 minutes only.
Yeah. But 4 minutes is also long. Your pizza is very delicious.
Thank you. Moving now.
It's bubbling. The cheese is bubbling. The bread has also risen a bit, baked a bit.
Right now we have to turn it on. This is the half of pizza, you can see.
Half pizza.
The basil, the aroma of the basil,
Yeah.
the fresh mushroom, the steam is coming.
Steam is now. 4 minutes is a long time to wait actually. It was such a delicious
Already
pizza.
it's been 2 minutes, only 2
Yeah,
minutes
yeah.
you have to wait, that's it.
Wait and we'll relish it, the pizza.
Yes. Meanwhile you can check the buffet also, we have so many
Yeah.
dishes in buffet.
How do you start the buffet when the customers are there?
Yes, I'll let you know because we have 2 parts for the buffet, one is cold, one is hot. Right in cold we have salads as well as desserts. So in salads today we had, you can see grilled vegetable salad is there, arugula avocado with sundae tomato is there, Greek salad is there, sprout salad some healthy, caprese salad is there.
So these are the desserts.
Yes, this is the dessert counter. We have
Yeah.
chocolate mousse, rasmalai, raspberry, and milk cake is there.
Yeah.
In pot we have gulab jamun. It's a signature dish.
So yes, I'll see the dessert afterwards. I want to quickly see my pizza.
Right, please come.
So sir, the pizza is ready, right?
Yes, pizza is ready.
Yeah.
So see
Quickly
your pizza.
remove it. Oh my, the cheese has melted so greatly.
Right now it's the serving time.
Yeah.
You know one quality of a good pizza, right? If the chef is good, then definitely the pizza is always good.
Yeah.
If you leave the pizza like this, right, means the pizza is perfect. If you can't lift it, then pizza is not up to normal.
So now we know the trick.
Yes. Basically, it's very difficult. Right now we are pouring some olive oil.
On the edges he is pouring.
Right now it's that time for pizza. See the cracking sound of pizza.
Yeah. Pizza is baked very nicely.
See the steam. Steam is coming.
Steaming hot pizza straight
Smell
from
it?
the oven. It's great. I can smell everything, every sauce and every
Right now I'm just putting some chili flakes on top of that. Some oregano.
chili flakes and oregano and all the herbs add a very different
Now-
flavor to it.
Best arugula. Family of mustard only.
Mustard. Oh. He's garnishing with it.
Pizza is ready.
So now we'll relish it.
It's ready. You can have it. Your pizza is ready.
We both will taste it.
Yes. Please, have a sip. Sit here.
So let us both dig in the pizza now. Now we will dig in the pizza.
Right.
We have see the mozzarella cheese.
How's
So
it?
what you told, this leaf is very tasty.
Yes.
It's very yum. adding a nice flavor to the pizza. What's it?
It's irregular.
Arugula.
Brassicas you can use.
Arugula, belonging to the mustard family basically.
Crispy.
Yeah, very crispy, and the mushroom smoky flavor is filling my mouth. So what actually inspired you to be a professional chef?
So basically, in my younger age, right? So I was a great foodie. So my mother cooks food very nicely. Each and every dish is cooking by them is out of the world. So I belong to Punjab, right? You already know that Punjabi cuisine is North Indian.
Yeah.
So my specialty is in Italian, Conti, Mexican and Thai, right?
Oh.
So yes, I have learned it from. I spent my 2 years in Mumbai from 2007 to 2009. So in this cuisine only.
So you have a great experience in Italian, Thai and Mexican.
Mexican, yes,
Mexican
exactly.
foods.
The client is from Mumbai and Pune, right? So as we know that in food industry, there is no limit of competition, right? So there are many good chefs in Mumbai also who is cooking superbly, right? Some restaurants are doing very good. So it is a challenging job for a chef.
Yeah, very challenging.
Introduce their food because there is no limit for food. You can do everything with the food. Either it is beverage, pizzas, pastas, right? Quesadillas,
Actually
enchiladas.
means your mom inspired you.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah,
Exactly.
inspired from your mom.
Exactly. And little bit my wife also. Pizza.
Very nice. I have never actually gone in the kitchen of a five-star restaurant and
How was the pizza?
so very nice. I have never actually gone into the kitchen and cooked a live pizza with a great experienced chef
Right.
who is professionally into the cooking field.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot to you. So what are you doing? You are studying or what?
Yeah. I'm in 7th standard. I stay in Khargar.
Right. So you are foodie.
Yeah, of course. I
Which
make
cuisine
videos.
you like the most?
Every
Every cuisine.
cuisine I eat, I've eaten every cuisine till
Right.
now.
Right. So there is nothing.
Nothing left, yeah. Nothing left.
Right.
But
Perfect.
it was a great experience cooking with him because I've never
you.
actually cooked a live thing. Na? It's very different experience cooking a live pizza with a great chef of a five-star restaurant.
So normally what happens, in the live sections, they are cut. Again, they have to make something,
Yeah.
right? So many shots we have to do. But you have seen this because we have made it only in one shot.
One shot.
Nothing is, in double shot. It's only one shot.
One
We have set up the ingredient list. We have make the flat pizza, give it the oval shape. Then we have put it in oven live. Then we have cooked that. So also seen the buffet. So it was nice experience for me
Yeah,
as well. So thanks a lot.
And thank you, sir, for inviting me in your kitchen
No.
on your own. It was a great experience.
Thank you.
On this note, sir, I request you to tell the viewers to like the video, share it with friends and family, and subscribe to the channel.
Definitely. It is a good experience me too as well. So I'll do the same.
So, like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel. Till the next time, bye for now.